So guys, this is Banky Crypto Night. In this video, I want to show you how to make your withdrawal on UBITEX. In case you want to withdraw, I'm going to show you how to withdraw on this crypto exchange. So in my last video concerning this platform, I explained everything, how you can make money on this exchange with their staking. Yeah, you can make a lot of money, and right now I'm going to show you my first withdrawal here on this exchange. I'm going to show you my first withdrawal because on that video I show you everything you need to know about this exchange. Their tokens that day when I made the video, their tokens is around $1.6 or $1.5, but right now it's almost $2. Let's see, it's now $2. The last time I checked it today, it's not up to $2, but you can see their token is now $2. So that is one of the advantage of this, because the more you have token there, the more token you have, the more your money will grow also on your staking. So if you want to check that video on how to start earning up to this amount here, you can see you can generate up to 292%, you can get up to 290%, and you can get up to 255% APR. That is, we'll be getting 0.8% daily. You can get 0.6% daily, and you can get 0.7% daily based on whatever you stake. This is a crypto exchange, it's not a scam. So let's go to the assets here, and right now on my earnings I have $7.8 there. So I'm going to show you something, but right now I have convert part of it to USDT already. You can see I have 18 USDT here. Everything I want to withdraw today in this video, I'm going to show it to you, like up to $26. But let's go to earning, where all my earnings are and my staking. So you can see this I firstly stake $109 before, 109 USDT. That was what I staked before. But yesterday, this is, well, I think yesterday or the day before yesterday, I had up about 120 something dollars to make it 240 something, to make it up to make it 200 plus. So to make it 200 plus, and you can see it here. I am earning $2.27 daily, which is around 1.13 STUB. This STUB is for their staking UBITEX, staking UB token. That is it. You can see this is the total I have made so far, which is $12.79. $12.79 currently in our currency in Nigeria is almost 20,000 naira. Let me check. So $12.75 times 1,006. Let me say 1,680. So that is 21,000 naira. Or let me just say like this: people are selling this, so 21,000 naira, and I have not even spent. I don't think I've spent up to 8 days on it. Let me check how many days I've spent on this platform so far. So checking the date I post the video, you can see it 10 days ago. Only 127 views yet 10 days ago. So 10 days I've earned $12.75. That is 20 something K. If we divide it by 10 days, let's see how much I am making in naira. This divided by 10 days. So you can see every day, and I just put in that $100 again, $126 add up to it. I just put it add up to it. So I think from today's goals I will be making more than that. So the one that I will make today will be more than that one. So you can see it here. That means I am making 2142 naira, 142 naira daily, 1,000. So in 90 days, that 90 days that I used to stake for, you can see I am going to get this 192k. That is what I'm going to get. But looking at what I am earning right now, I am going to be earning I am earning something like this. I think I'm earning $2.12 daily. Let me check before I make it. So I am making, now that I just had that $126 to it, I am making $2.27 daily. And if I do the calculation, let me just use it as like this, or 1,620. Let me just put it like this, 1,620. So I am making 3,677 naira every day right now. That is what I will be making for that 90 days. I am going to earn this amount, and you can withdraw anytime. You can withdraw a profit every time. In 10 days I can make up to 36,000 naira. In 7 days I can make up to this. 3 days I can make up to this. So this is a passive income for you. So in case you are interested, you can see I will drop the link to that my video, that first video, in the description of this video. You can check the video out there. You can check it out and watch it. So right now, let's make this withdrawal. So right now, this is the process. Click on any, click on the end, and one thing we want to do right now is that we are going to convert the UB token here. We are going to convert it to USDT. This is where we are going to do it. As you can see, I have done some conversion here before. That is why you see that small amount here, and I have moved it out already. So right now, let's do the conversion. I'm still going to do some conversion here again to convert them to USDT. So let's do the convert. Now click on convert here. Click on convert. Now we want to convert it from staking UB to UB, the normal UB. The same thing is ratio 1:1, so they are the same thing. You can see the conversion I have made before. These are the conversions, so those are the conversions. So right now, click on all. I want to convert everything. So it's equivalent to the same thing, 3.89 UB. That, and they are going to take a transaction fee of 0.19 UBs. Just know that. So let's convert. So now is 0. So this is the amount it converted to after they take their own transaction fee. So you can see it's 3.69. So now let's go back to here. Right now we can see what we convert here is now here. Everything is $7.37. So what we are going to do right now is we are going to go to trade here. So click on trade, and up here change it to UB. My own is on UB already, UB USDT. Just change it to UB on the spot, not on future, on spot. So click up here and change it to UB. Search for UB. That is it. The price is still coming down. So as normal, that is how crypto work. So right now we want to sell our UB to USDT, but right now the UB is not yet here. If you look here, I don't think the UB is here yet on our spot wallet. So what we are going to do right now is that we are going to click this plus sign here. Click on the plus sign and let's do transfer. Click on transfer. Now we are going to transfer from our any to our spot. Now change this to UB also. Change this to UB. Click here and change it to UB. So click on UB. Now I want to transfer everything to spot. Confirm. So that is it. I have transfer it to, you can see here the UB is now here right now. So right now I want to sell everything. That should be around $15.63. So let's do the selling. I want to set market direct. So limit order, change it to market. Limit order, market. So right now you can now sell it direct. Now click on sell UB. Sufficient balance available. Okay, okay. Click on confirm sell. So you can see it now. Order placed successfully. So you can see I have sold the UB to USDT right now. So if I click here, you will see that it will be on USDT. You can see that my USDT has increased to $20. So right now let me go back and let's do the main withdrawal. Right now you can see my balance here has reduced because I have taken the profit out of here. So right now go back to home page. Let's see, you can see on our home page we see our $26 here because the $26 shows the overall money that is out that can be spent. Those are for the everything that I show here shows the overall money that can be spent. So right now I want to make this withdrawal. Now click here on your assets and go back to overall. On the overall here you can see that we have $25.57 plus something here. That is what make it 26 on our home page. Okay, it's 25. I think they have taken their own transaction fee, so they have taken a transaction fee from the spot this thing that I made. So right now what we are going to do right now is that we are going to click here on withdraw. This money I want to withdraw right now is almost 40,000 naira. So let's see. So that money is about 41,000 naira, but I'm still going to show you everything. So right now I want to withdraw to my Bybit. There I can do my P2P. So right now click on USDT and I still have ton here. I think I still have like ton here. I want to convert this ton before I make my withdrawal. I want to convert it to USDT also to make my withdrawal. So I'm going to do that very fast now. So it's like I can't buy less than 0.1 ton. I just want to top it up before. So let me just withdraw the $20 instead because that is the normal amount I convert. That is the amount I convert, almost my profit. So let me just withdraw my profit now. So now I'm going to my Bybit and copy my USDT wallet address from there, and I'm going to make the withdrawal. So to show it to you, I only have $9.11 here on my Bybit. So I'm going to click on deposit. So USDT, I select USDT. I want to deposit USDT. I will see 20. Let me check this one. Maybe their transaction fee will be small on that UBITEX. So I've copied my wallet address right now, which is this one. Copy. So I'm going back to my UBITEX and send the money into it. So I've clicked on withdraw. Now click on on-chain transfer. Paste the wallet address here. The wallet address you copied, select the network. Their transaction fee is, you can see it, their transaction fee is, yes, network fee is $1 normal. That is how it works. TRC20 is currently the only one right now because the new exchange, the minimum you can transfer out is 10 USDT. So I want to transfer all. I am going to receive this to my Bybit because I'm going to take a transaction fee. They are not the one, but the blockchain. The blockchain is the one taking the transaction fee. So this is what I'm going to receive on my Bybit, 19.19. So click on withdraw and let me do the rest. So processing withdrawal. You can see it right now, processing withdrawal, view history. You can see this is my first withdrawal ever here. So this is my first withdrawal ever here. So you can see it here. We under review. Automatically the system will review it. This blockchain, they are not the one to approve it. The blockchain will approve it. So let me go back to my Bybit now and wait there for the money. So I have received a message from Bybit already that a money come in. You can see up here the money is coming. So let me go to my assets here and let's see. You see it will be on pending. You can see it here. You have one deposit request pending. So you can see it 19.19. Let's see it. You can see it 19.19. So that is it on pending, but I will wait for it so that you can see it that it's successful. Because some people will not still believe. Many people have their own ways of believing things. So let me just refresh it, and it's add up already. You can see it here, $19.19. You can see it, $19.19. That is it, and that is my first withdrawals on. You can see my balance has add up. That is my first withdrawal on UBITEX. So even my Bybit has also showed me this. You can see it here. You can see it on my email. They have sent me a message on my email. So that is it. You can see. Let me go and find the withdrawal history for you. Withdrawal history. Where would withdrawal history be? Around here. Let me find withdrawal history for you. Okay, should be up here. So let me show it to you. You can see it here now, completed. So that is it. In case you want to start making money on this UBITEX, join it right now and start making money. This is a new crypto exchange and they are looking for users. That is why they bring out this staking. So in case you want to start making passive income, this is the amount you can make. You can make 0.7% on your money daily. You can make 0.8% daily. Not ordinary 7%, 70%, 80%, and 0.60% daily on your money. The minimum you can deposit and start with is 100 USDT. The minimum is 100 USDT. So if you are starting it, make sure you deposit up to 101 USDT or 102 USDT just to cover some transaction fee. And watch that video. The video link is in the description of this video. You will see it there so that you will understand how to start this staking, how to start your staking. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I remain Banky Crypto Knight. So right now I will be going and I am going to drop another video concerning this platform very soon. So guys, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share this video with your loved ones and also comment. So guys, goodbye for now, and also join. There are a lot of people that are joining it, not only you. You can see that people are joining. You can see there are a lot of people are joining. So let's make money together. So guys, goodbye for now.